Now the question is, point O is the center of an ellipse with major axis AB and minor axis CD. Point F is one focus of this ellipse, and if OF is 6 and the diameter of inscribed circle of the triangle OCF is 2 and the product AB into CD is K, we need to find value of greatest interior function of under root K. Now what we'll do is we'll draw this ellipse. Center is at origin and one of the focus is F, and this distance OF, it is given as 6 centimeter. Now major axis is AB and minor axis is CD. So F is say AE comma 0 and B is A comma 0, and this point C, it is 0 comma B. So the first condition that we have here is value of A is simply 6. Now it says the diameter of the inscribed circle of triangle OCF. So this triangle. So diameter of the circle, it is 2 units. So radius of this in circle will be 1 unit. Now we know that radius of in circle is delta upon S, where delta is area and S is semi-perimeter. So we write 1S. Now what's the area of this triangle? Area of this triangle will be 1 by 2 into AE. AE in this case is 6, and then into this is B upon, and this is B plus 6 plus under root of B square plus 36 upon 2. So we'll cancel this 2 with 2. So we'll get B plus 6 plus under root of B square plus 36 is 6B. So we'll write under root of B square plus 36 as 5B minus 6. So if we'll square, we can write B square plus 36, and this is 25B square plus 36 minus 60B. So 36 will cancel. So we can write 24B square, and this is equal to 60B. Now B cannot be 0, so value of B is 60 upon 24, which is simply 5 by 2. Now once we have B and we have AE, we can find A square also. So we know that B square is A square into 1 minus E square. So B square is 25 by 4. Now A square we'll need to find out. And what's AE square? AE square is 6 square, which is 36. So we'll write A square as 25 plus 4 into 36 by 4. So it will be 169 by 4. So value of A is simply 13 by 2. So AB into CD is K, and AB is 2A and CD is 2B. So what's 2A? 2A is 13, and what's 2B? 2B is 5. So value of K is 65. Now we'll need to find greatest interior function of under root K. So it is greatest interior function of under root of 65. Now root 65 is 8 point something, and greatest interior function or floor function of 8 point something is simply 8. So answer to this question is 8.